us up-and-coming 8-year-old junior chef Emi. And today Emi's going to demonstrate how to make delicious fish tacos, after which we'll be able to sample them. So I'm going to let Emi take it away and enjoy.
Hi everybody, I'm Chef Emi. Thank you for coming. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make cod tacos. Before you do anything, I would say to preheat your oven to 300 to 350 degrees. And then you want to get your olive oil and you want to put it on it and then you want to smear it up. Once that's done, I prefer to use cherry tomatoes to give it, because I like to give it flavor. Who here likes tomatoes? I've cut all my tomatoes. I'm going to move on to my cilantro. So what I do is I like to twist the stem off. Once that's done, I usually feed it to my bunny, but she's not here right now, so. You want to get your seasonings. And my seasonings, I'm using lemon, onion, garlic, parsley, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm also using some chili powder because I like it spicy. Who here likes spicy food? Raise your hand. Okay. I'm also using red pepper flakes at the end to give it a little kick. Once that's done, you want to get your olive oil, and then you want to put it in your dish. You want to move it around, move it around. I like to put my fingers through it to give it a little sprinkle. Okay, and then that's my recipe. I guessed I wanted to do it one day, and I did it. And this is how it's going to look when it's done. Yes? Well, when I do the dish, the pan is mostly in the oven to cook it, but I have an oven right here. I can't snap my fingers and it'll be here, but yep, that's how I do it. Yep. So about because this didn't take long at all, about 15 minutes. And then once that's done, get my tortilla and then just cut it out. Well, they'll be bringing it. Yep. Any other questions? Yes?
A question?
Yes.
Can you put avocado on your tacos too?
I don't prefer to, but you can. You can use any other fish you like. I prefer to use cod. You can use any other tomatoes you like, any other vegetables basically. I prefer to make it this way. This is mine. You can use anything you prefer. This is just my dish. I prefer to do it this way.
Emi, do you want to be a chef when you grow up?
Yeah. I want to be like
You did a good job.